Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how can you download AnyDesk. So for downloading it, search here AnyDesk and then go to the first link, download for Windows. If you are on Windows, if you are on Mac, you can go to this Mac download. So as I am on Windows, so I'm clicking on this. Now click on download now. So here you can see the installer has been downloaded. Now double click it and just wait. So here you can see the AnyDesk is launching. So now you can see AnyDesk is connecting and showing your address. Now you can start using AnyDesk. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.